Hello everybody, my name is Milan Dojcinovski from the DBpedia core team based in Leipzig, Germany, and we are happy to announce a new edition of the DBpedia Knowledge Graph tutorial. The tutorial is co-located with the Web Conference 2022 and is planned as a lecture-style tutorial. The tutorial will provide information on the DBpedia Knowledge Graph and the community behind it. We will explain in details the complete DBpedia Knowledge Graph life cycle, from extraction and modeling to publishing and maintenance of the DBpedia KG. A particular focus will be put also on the DBpedia infrastructure and the current motto of DBpedia, which states global and unified access to linked data. I will let now my co-organizers to tell you more about these two tutorial topics.
Hi, my name is Jan Vorberg and I will be hosting the DBpedia Technology Stack session. We will go from more basic things like accessing the DBpedia data onto the details of the DBpedia Technology Stack. The stack is a range of self-deployable applications and services that help us with managing the DBpedia release cycle and making it accessible. This knowledge can help you make better use of the DBpedia data as well as improve your own knowledge graph infrastructure. We will cover the databus platform, which is the foundation of the technology stack, and then also have a look at all the other different components and how you could potentially develop your own extensions.
Hi, my name is Johannes Frey and I will host the Global and Unified Access to Linked Data session. Following DBpedia's novel mission, Global and Unified Access to Knowledge Graphs, we have a dedicated session on how to simplify access using DBpedia services to the biggest open knowledge graph, linked open data. We will demonstrate how you can leverage DBpedia global IDs to discover and browse aggregated data about equivalent or connected entities from various linked open data sources, but also how to simplify writing federated Sparkle queries using global ID clustering information. In the second part, we show you how to use DBpedia Archivo, an augmented ontology archive for a unified semantic ontology space, to create applications or workflows with stable or automatically updating ontologies, and a one-click access to the latest snapshot of the web of ontologies for research and analysis.